Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer shifts from When I Work to Google Calendar step by step clearly. Open the When I Work app on your device. Log into your account if prompted. Navigate to the Schedule tab. Select the shift you want to transfer. Click on the shift to view its details. Take note of the shift time, date, and any additional details. Now, open your Google Calendar. Ensure you are logged into the correct Google account. Click on the plus Create button in the top left corner. Input the shift title into the event title field. Set the date of the shift in the calendar. Enter the start time and end time of your shift. Add any specific notes or details in the description box. Set a reminder for your shift if desired. Choose the appropriate calendar from the drop-down if you have multiple. Click Save to finalize the event. Repeat these steps for any additional shifts you need to transfer. Check your Google Calendar to ensure all shifts appear correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.